Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a poll in a Zoom meeting. What you can do is download the app and then log into your account. After you do that, then you can initiate a meeting. So you can click on New Meeting for an example. And here, you're just going to test it out. When you're here, go to the options where it says More, go under Apps and click on Apps. Here, that's when you can click on Add Apps, search for Live Polls. This one, you can search for Slido. I already installed it. All you need to do is just click on Add and then you add the app. So between these two, I'll give an example with Slido. Click on it and make sure you log in with your account in Slido, or you sign up for it if you don't have an account. And after you do that, click on creating new Slido. Here, that's where you can add the polls. Okay. Here you can give a multiple choice, word cloud, open text ideas. For an example, let's do multiple choice. Click on it. And then here you can put a heading like for an example, which is best. And then after you're done, just click on launch. You can interact. You can also give extra settings here, and you can even add an image if you want to do that. And you're done.